Today we are in Celebration. Behind us, the Inn at Celebration, which is an autograph collection from Marriott. It's a Marriott brand. And we're going to stay here tonight. So for 2 queen beds and a Florida, Georgia rate, with tax, it was $213 for one night, which location you cannot beat. I mean, you were right here in downtown Celebration, and you're, minutes and not very far from all the attractions and things like that. So we're going to do a complete tour of this hotel. We've had people suggest it to us, and so we thought tonight's the night to check it out and show you what it's like. So again, there's going to be a restaurant. There were 2 styles of rooms, like I think one with a balcony and maybe one without, or maybe one with a special view, but we just chose the most basic one. So $213, which is a heck of a deal to stay right here. Let's go check it out. So we are getting ready to check in. The only thing we couldn't figure out at the moment is parking. It doesn't seem like there's a parking spot for dropping your bags off or even for checking in. So we actually had to park all the way down the street somewhere and walk here. So we're going to see if they have a special parking lot for this hotel. Now you can't miss the hotel. If you're over here by the water, you'll always see it because it's located on the corner. And for reference, we've done several reviews down here. There's the Celebration Town Tavern straight ahead. There's Avocado Mexican Grill we've done a review at. And right here next to the water, the Celebration Hotel. It's now the Inn at Celebration autograph collection. Looks like valet's out in front. And as you enter, you can see the Inn at Celebration. This is a nice lobby. Check-in's over at the left. So here are the doors we came in. You've got the bar on this side and check-ins behind me. See the beautiful view from the back side. There's a walking trail out there. And then looks like the restaurant's over behind the bar. Got some artwork with some books, like a library. There's a picture of it. I like the artwork a lot. Fitness center this way, meeting rooms, restrooms. And there is that fun guy. All right, so your resort fee covers this right here. $20 food and beverage credit, daily sunrise yoga for 2 guests, 2-hour bike rental, a guide, 2 drinks, and then they also threw in 2 coffees for the morning. And let's see, we're gonna be, I guess that's $249, room 249. So here is the lakeside kitchen and bar. Look at that, that's really nice. I don't think we'll eat here this trip, but that's what it looks like. And here we have the ballroom and also elevators, but look at the brick wall. This is cool. And then the mirror elevator right here, mirror door. Here are the hours at the lakeside kitchen. Dinner is 5 to 11, and there's the happy hour. Now here's the second floor. You've got 202 to 242 that way, and also your ice machine. What the heck? He's following us. And on the other side, 243 to 266. Here's what the floor looks like. And then here's 249. Here's what the 2 queen bedroom looks like. And it looks like it's a balcony, I guess. So maybe all of them have like a balcony or something. But you got the beds right here, I guess a closet and a ceiling fan. You don't see that all the time. I will say though, you don't have any like side tables or really outlets on either side there. Nice TV, bar cart area for your coffee. Is that the fridge in there, I guess? Probably. Yep. There we go. Some wine, $45. Water, $6. And I was wrong, it's not a balcony. So there are rooms, I think the balcony room was maybe like $30 more or something, but this is just a standard room. Now if we zoom out and show you the other view from the other side, there was the front door there. We'll do a bed test, we'll show you the bathroom area. Just a simple room. I mean, again, location's great. For $200, you're right here in the middle of everything. Now here's the bathroom. So they've got this nice big mirror lighted mirror, which is cool. It's nice and clean though. That's a big perk. Nice and clean. Just a regular shower. So not bad. Nice and simple. They got one of these where you can see yourself, all the mirrors. Time for the bed test. It's firm. Pretty firm. Not bad at all. So we got the waters. Here's the coupons, I guess, if you will. There we have it. Also, one of the keys, the inn at Celebration. Let's go find the fitness room, see if there's a pool. Look at this old chair right here. Look how pretty the ballroom area is. You see, it's the Orange Grove Ballroom in use right now. Ooh. Now, the parking situation would be the biggest con. They only offer valet, and everywhere else you just got to try to find a spot like normal parking. You can't park out front here because it's for residents. So you got to move by nighttime. So you just literally have to find a spot somewhere on the street to park. I think they should have a designated parking spot for guests. Also, the brick floor. I like that too. So this is where we checked in earlier. They've got some nice artwork. We're gonna head behind there because that's the way on the way to the fitness area. And also it says check-in is at 4, check-out is at 11. Got some more artwork. I like their artwork here. And then they've got some restrooms over here. And they actually have a map of Celebration, Florida on this wall with more artwork and photos. Now heading this way, you got rooms, and then you also have fitness center and a meeting room, and this must be the fitness center, 6 to 10. And here's what the fitness center looks like. I like how it overlooks the water. So they got this little nice area, and then again, the machines up here overlooking the water. Yeah, it's nice. I mean, here's your view while you're running. And then out back, they do have a meeting room currently open. It'd be hard to focus with the window like this, but there's a meeting room back there. And then out back, they've got nice furniture out here to hang out and relax. A ceiling fan. And also, oh, there's that meeting room. And also nice and peaceful with the walking trail and the water. Now, I will say there's no pool here, so that's kind of interesting. But again, basically $200. And I think it was cheaper during the week. It's a Friday night, so I think during the week it was like $180. But if you're in the area wanting to just check out some stuff, or you just need a place to stay, I mean, so far so good. We'll let you know how the bed sleeps, how sound is in there. I did see some dogs in the room, so I guess it's dog friendly. I think there's like maybe a dog fee. And there's downtown right there. So if you're coming for Christmas time or whatever, perfect place to stay. And on Sundays, I believe, is their farmer's market. So if you came and spent a weekend here, you could get up on Sunday and see their farmer's market. So nice and peaceful. You can get up in the morning and go on the walking trail. Oh, what was that? Oh, that's just their fountain. I was like, something just jumped. Walking to this side, they do have a lot of outdoor space, which is nice. We'll have to check it out at nighttime to see what it looks like out here. But they've got a lot of seats. And we're gonna, oh, and see, these are the nice rooms, I think, on this side. Look, with the balcony up there. There's dogs over there. This is part of the dining area. So this is all part of the lakeside kitchen and bar dining, outdoor dining. That's a nice spot to be. So we're actually gonna go do some stuff, but I think we'll pause on the video for now. I mean, we basically did show everything. I think we'll come out here at nighttime. We'll let you know how we sleep, let you know how the shower is, let you know how the sound is, and give a final review in the morning. But we'll probably pick up here in a few hours when it's darker out. But it's very peaceful back here in the back of the hotel. You can see here on the outside the autograph collection. And we actually did see somebody pull up in this valet section just to unload their stuff. So maybe you can do that. Maybe you can just pull up here, unload, and call it. I don't know how much valet is. I don't see the price. I want to say maybe $40 or $50. That's kind of the going rate. But I guess maybe you can pull up here. So we made it back to the hotel. It's currently like 10:15 at night on a Friday. And you can see there's actually quite a bit of spots available. So during the day it might be difficult to park, but at nighttime there's a lot more spots available. And you can see this is where we parked, and the hotel's just down there. And here we finally get to see the hotel at nighttime. Here we have it. We'll try to show the back side here real fast, see what it looks like. Here's what it looks like out back. It's very peaceful and quiet, and also very, very dark. Look at this. Let's go look at the town side real quick. Over this way. So I think what we're gonna do is we'll go test the shower, the bed, see how loud it is at night. And then that's basically it. Look at the reflection right there off the water. It's very peaceful out here. But yeah, I think we'll pick up in the morning. So stay tuned. We'll let you know what we think. All right, it's the next morning. I believe that was our room right there. Very quiet on this Saturday morning in Celebration. We are going to go down here to this Starbucks, get some coffee, but we'll kind of walk there and just show you how quiet it is. It's about 9:45. There's actually quite a bit of cars here, probably residents that have came in over the night. Starbucks is just right around the corner right there. Yeah, here's Starbucks right here. We've actually done quite a bit down here, but as you can see, just an easy walk right there. That was our stay at the inn at Celebration here in Celebration. Few things. I thought it was very quiet.
Yes, it was really quiet. Not a lot of people. It didn't seem like.
We say that now and it starts, dogs are barking over there, but the hotel itself, very quiet, peaceful. Didn't hear a lot of noise. The shower was good. Beds were fine. I will say we should have taken advantage of that $20 credit we got and a free drink.
Yeah.
But regardless, it was a good stay nonetheless. Very peaceful town and close to everything. We went to iDrive last night, took about 20 minutes. And if you want to go to Disney, which we're doing this morning, it takes about 15. So there you have it. And would definitely recommend staying here for a, I don't want to say cheap option, but a cheaper option.
But nice.
Yeah, nice and clean. So there you have it. With that being said, that does it for this stay. Thanks for watching.